What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about could not find the recovery environment. I had to fix this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into it. All right. So, as always, when I do these laptop reviews for you guys, I got to reset the PC, right? So, to do a reset PC process is basically super simple. You want to click on Start. Within Start, we're going to locate the Settings app. Within the Settings app, we are going to go into the Windows Update section. And within here, we're going to click on Advanced Options. We are going to locate Recovery. So click on that. It's going to take you here. Reset this PC. We're going to click on the button, Reset this PC. You have two options. Super easy, right? Now, I typically do remove everything, but on this particular machine, when I clicked on Remove Everything, it gave me this. Could not find the recovery environment. So I'm freaking out. I was like, what's going on? First thing that I did, I started doing a little bit of troubleshooting. So I went into the disk manager to see whether or not it had a recovery partition. The machine did have a recovery partition. I did a little Googling and it looks like this is pretty common on the desktop, right? We're going to click on the start menu. We're going to type in CMD. We're going to click on Run as an Administrator because we need to do a bunch of command prompt stuff to get this up and running. Now, the first one that we need to do is the following. Once you hit Enter, we are looking for that particular Windows RE status. Now, for this machine, this laptop, it was disabled. It should be enabled. So to enable it, really simple command. We need to run this. But me running it, as always, I'm going to have a problem. When I hit Enter, I receive this. So the first command that I did to do basic troubleshooting is I ran a SFC with a parameter of scan now. It started scanning. It did find some stuff, a bunch of files that were corrupted, and it fixed it, which was great. Now I ran another command, and the following command was this: DISM with a switch of online, another switch of cleanup image, and another switch of restore health. Once I hit enter, it started doing its thing, and eventually operation completed successfully, which was great. Now I reran this command and I hit enter. Boom, the operation was succeeded. Awesome. And I ran this again, which was the first command. I hit enter. Rather than the RE status stating disable, it says enable. So go back into the recovery, run, reset this PC. And if everything works well, it should prompt you here to, pick cloud download or local reinstall. And that's it, guys. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.